Well, hello friend, your friend Fearless Tiger here. So we are just about to start one video. तो आज का केस स्टडी काफ़ी बिंदास है, राइट? सो जो ये यूट्यूब चैनल है उसका नाम है ब्लश करके यूट्यूब चैनल है, और मुझे एक वीडियो मैंने देखी थी ऑलमोस्ट 3-4 मंथ्स बैक। तो दैट्स क्वाइट कॉर्पोरेट वीडियो जिसमें आपको कॉर्पोरेट में काइंड ऑफ अफेयर्स के बारे में पता चलेगा, लेकिन इसमें कुछ हुआ नहीं ज़्यादा बिकॉज हर फ्रेंड वॉज क्वाइट स्मार्ट, राइट? सो शी यू नो help her friend to avoid all those things. But that to be was not acceptable the way she did it, right? Uh, I know, but that's totally morally wrong. But just let's start this video and we'll come to a conclusion. And remember, please use earphone because this video is going to have a lot of abusive words. Because here both the parties are wrong. Maybe it's a male or a female. And once these kind of videos I watch, I'll not give any second chance to these kind of people. Literal people, I would say that. Maybe it's a male or female, right? So let's start.
You know what? That's it. We never spoke again. Believe me. Who's that?
Dad must be wanting to check on me.
अभी शायद ऑफिस में है, लेट नाइट प्रोजेक्ट्स होता है। एक्चुअली कॉर्पोरेट में यूजुअली चीज़ें होती हैं। अगर आपको कॉर्पोरेट के बारे में नहीं पता है, अभी आप 12th में हो मान लो, ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हो, तो कॉर्पोरेट में यूजुअली चीज़ें होती हैं जब आप एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करते के बाद नाइट हो जाती है काफ़ी, और मतलब काफ़ी टाइम भी हो जाता है कभी लेट नाइट काम करते करते। यूजुअली दीज थिंग्स कम टू पिक्चर। सो वही सीन होगा, उसके डैड ने कॉल किया होगा, शी स्टनिंग नो, उसका डैड है वो, लेटर नो।
तुमने अपने कप में 5 मिनट से सिर्फ गर्म पानी डाला है। Am I distracting you?
What is the point of saying that thing? You tell me, what is the point of saying that? Listen, that woman is trying to get a little bit, flirty. उसका इंटरेस्ट है लड़के में, let me tell you. She having a huge interest in like this guy. Guys are not never able to understand what, sometimes what she trying to convey. That's why they'll find very difficult to get a girlfriend or something, not able to even proceed further in any kind of relationship. But I don't know, but I think she's a married woman, and if you find these kind of shitty stuffs going around you, you'll not do that with any other women. You never, if you know that she's trying to flirt you, then also you'll not proceed with that kind of flirt. Right? So let's start.
You wish. वैसे भी, I don't get distracted by pretty women around me.
I don't get distracted by a pretty women around me. देखा क्या लाइन मारी है, बहुत सड़ी के। Get distracted by pretty women around me. लाइन तो इसी के लिए, और तो कोई है नहीं यहाँ। माता चौथ साला।
Right.
वैसे तुमने नोटिस किया आज प्रेजेंटेशन में नेहा काफी हॉट लग रही थी. But I did kill in the presentation, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. The sugar's here. I think Neha has a crush on you. What do you think?
Well, the problem is, she's not the one I have a crush on.
भोसड़ी के। तुझे पता है कि बहनचोद वो शादीशुदा बंदी है, और तब भी तू बहनचोद उसके मतलब क्या हो क्या रहा है यार? फॉरगेट अबाउट द फकिंग मैन। तू सारी इतनी लो वैल्यू वुमन है क्या? That will sleep around with any kiss is more than enough यार in this kind of relationship यार. Come on, you know that you have a husband. तुझे पता है तेरी पत्नी घर में है, but you were involved in these kind of shitty things. That's why trust issues are out in most of the relationship, and that is a really detrimental यार. It's a fucking psychology issue. That's why I always keep on telling right from beginning, if you fail to control your sexual desires, you are bloody, you fucking animals here. Later than that, you tell me why most of the rape cases come to the picture. What is the main reason behind it? That is a minimum level of not having control of sexual desires, because both the parties are mutually agree with that, right? But the people sitting at home, जो भी इनके husband wife जो भी हैं, what will these guys be feeling? क्या इनमें इतनी हिम्मत होगी वहाँ जाके उनकी आंखों में आंखें डाल के कह दें कि yes I did that? If you can't take the responsibility of action, don't you dare do that यार. It's a fucking low behavior. It's a low women and low man value behavior. These kind of people are listed in the fucking society. लोगों ने उस फाउंडेशन को बनाने के लिए कितने साल लगा दिए और इन चूतियों को तोड़ने में ना उसको 2 मिनट नहीं लगते. What they trying to do it? Come on यार. और तुम जैसे लड़के हो, you guys will go to a particular office and start doing these kind of shitty things with the fucking women. That's what you do with the married women. That's what your upbringing. That's what the value you got from society and the people around the books, whatever you read or something. It's fucking disgusting, yeah. Come on. You don't know, maybe the women having AIDS or something. Maybe you get into sexual activities or something. तुम जाके फिर अपनी वाइफ के साथ फिजिकल हो गए, then she also will get AIDS. I'm saying, just give an example, STDs, right? That's not the thing should happen here. That's why I avoiding those kind of psychological things in life or somewhere. I'll tell you at the end of the day, one of my friend was in the corporate. He was I'll tell what he used to think about the women in the corporate usually, because he was working in the IT sector, that he would be letting you know what his thought about it. It's not my thought, it's his thought. मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आ रही है, पता है. I'm just अभी मैं आउट हो गया हूँ पूरा. I think we should proceed, right? Yeah. Last night. Now she's thinking क्या हो जाता या क्या हो गया with her friend.
आकांक्षा कहाँ है?
नथिंग यार, नींद पूरी नहीं हुई.
Hey Rabia.
Hi निखिल.
Hey.
हाय.
You wanna come out for a quick smoke break?
बंदे की पर्सनैलिटी अच्छी है, वर्क करता है, ऐसी बंदियां फंसाता होगा जो फंसा रहा है. ले चढ़ है चल.
Break maybe.
Actually, I don't really feel like it. So,
Come on, just 5 minutes.
देखो यार, स्मोकिंग इज लिटरली नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. ठीक है, कुछ लोग करते हैं स्ट्रेस में, टेंशन में आके, जो भी है, गो फॉर मेडिटेशन. इट विल रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. और कुछ लोग लाइक ड्रिंक भी करते हैं, नशा लेने के लिए. बट बता रहा हूँ, 2 दिन मत तो 3 दिन नशे में अपने आप ही हो जाओगे. I'm not saying you should not do it. अपने घर में रहो, बंद कमरे में जो करना है करो. Because once you do somewhere outside and lost your senses and you just like fucking animal, and once you not fail to control your sexual desire, you do what you're not supposed to do it. Maybe it's a fight, murder or rape, any of those kind of things you come to the picture. Right? So just try to avoid all those things.
अरे तूने तो बोला था तू मेरे साथ चाय पिएगी. सॉरी निखिल, यू विल हैव टू टेक द ब्रेक लेटर. या चल.
sorry. इतना क्या चाय पीना है तुझे?
इतना क्या सुट्टा फूकना है तुझे? भैया मेरे लिए एक चाय और
एक कॉफी, ब्लैक. एक्चुअली
भैया 2 चाय ला दीजिए प्लीज. और बता, क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में? मतलब पिछले 1-2 महीने से तूने कुछ बताया नहीं मुझे. और ऑफ कोर्स मुझे क्यों बताएगी? आई एम तो जस्ट योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड सिंस कॉलेज, है ना? फिर भी मैंने सोचा कि पूछ ही लूं.
कुछ नहीं यार, वही सेम ओल्ड काम. तू बता, what do you want to talk about?
Now that you have asked me, I want to know about your not so subtle crush on Nikhil. Thank you.
How the hell do you know about that?
पिछले 2 महीने में जब से तुम दोनों ने इस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करना शुरू किया है, तब से तुम दोनों ऐसे लग रहे हो जैसे कि किसी फेविकॉल के एड में हो.
Remember one thing, a woman will never cheat you in a day. She'll take some time to cheat on you. You know, it will take weeks, sometimes even months. So you should know that how to figure it out. उसके बिहेवियर में तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा स्टार्टिंग में कि कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ है, कहीं रेड फ्लैग है. So you need to be very careful, because at the end of the day, it's you who is going to get affected with that kind of woman or that kind of man. Or man will cheat you in a day also, like this. I'm not degrading man community here or the female community here. Like that's a fucking truth. I'm with the truth. I'm not the male or female or any kind of fucking literal people out there, right? I'm with the right people. That's all.
I mean, जब देखो एक साथ यार, you used to be an occasional smoker ना? अभी निखिल के साथ मिलके अब 5-5 मिनट के सुट्टे ब्रेक के चक्कर में एक दिन में तो 50 बार स्मोक करती है। जब देखो निखिल दिस, निखिल दैट। I mean, अगर टॉपिक ट्रम्प का क्यों ना हो, एंड तो निखिल के साथ ही होना चाहिए ना? और तू जो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस के बारे में पार्ट पढ़ाती थी, आज निखिल के साथ बैठ के 10-10 बजे तक तू रिपोर्ट्स लिख रही है।
वाओ, मुझे नहीं पता था मेरे पीछे CBI पड़ी है।
ब्रो, हार्मलेस क्रश है यार, इट्स ओके, होता है। Remember the guy I had crush on? वो अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट वाला। स्ट्रेस मत ले, just don't act upon it. You will have to draw a line, yeah. Because remember, he is not married, but you are.
Who's that?
Dad must be one.
जब टाइम पे कॉल आया, मैरिड नहीं है वो लड़की बता रही है, we don't know, let's see. उसके हस्बैंड ने कॉल था and how she ignored that. I don't know how you guys gonna take that, but it's a fucking huge disrespect. ये बहुत बड़ी disrespect है भाई. For an unknown person, she is not picking your call indirectly, right? Your wife is not picking your call because of this shitty, literal man. This kind of man. That's a huge disrespect, guys. Huge disrespect. मैं बता रहा हूँ बहुत बड़ा लफड़ा इन चीज़ों में। डाइवर्सी है बंदा, ये इसको तो चाहिए दूसरी यार, कहीं ना कहीं चाहिए। ही नीड टू फिक्स थिंग्स, बल्कि किसी का तोड़वा के फिक्स करे। यू नेवर डू दैट यार, नेवर डू दैट। मे बी हाउ हॉट शी इज, हाउ सेक्सी इज, मे बी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल हर फिगर और समथिंग XYZ थिंग, or maybe she's one of the women in the world, but your moral values should always stand in between these kind of sexual shitty desires. Be a high value man. Okay, let's just start this.
Wanting to check on me.
क्या हुआ? Oh my God, I know this look. What did you?
भैया एक कॉफी देना।
सबको कॉफी चाहिए। चलो, एक सेकंड, आराम से।
Do you want me to go? क्या कर रही है यार?
Women literally don't know what they want actually. That's a
What are you
reality.
doing?
They don't know what they
Hello?
want.
मिनट। अब बता क्या हुआ?
The problem is, she's not the one I have a crush on.
That's what happens when you don't have a control on your sexual desires. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ यार, you should have a strong control on your sexual desires. If it is not, then from my point of view, you're not marriageable. With the person who is a very high value man or a high value woman, for them you are not marriageable because you are not qualified to be high value man or high value women, because you like getting open yourself in front of everybody, and that's if you keep on opening yourself in front of everybody, you're gone. You're not valuable, not at all. You just think from the things which is between your legs, and ready to spread your leg for everybody. That's how you're creating your value. No, you're weak people. You're fucking weak. Maybe I know I'll get a lot of what do you say, criticism about these kind of videos, but I don't give a fuck about those things. The reality is reality, yaar. What are you bringing to the society, the people? This shit, this crap. Okay, let's proceed with the video.
I need to take this.
चूतिया साला, काम नहीं मारा क्या? देखो, मेरे expressions.
हाँ तो कुछ फिजिकल नहीं हुआ ना?
But dude, हो सकता था. I'm freaking out.
हो सकता था, I am freaking. यार, you're married, यार. Come on, you shitty bitch. These kind of behavior traits in the women, dude, it's very dangerous, dude. Just that's what I'm telling you. Ask 100 times. You just look at her past, how she's hopping from a man to man.
Calm down. Okay, tell me honestly, what do you feel about Nikhil?
I don't know. मतलब all of this is so new. and I've never felt something like this before. Karan was my first and only boyfriend, and I got married to.
Second, he was your second boyfriend.
No, wait. I mean, I was never serious with Rohan. We were.
See, guys, you people, jump from one person to other. Just nothing wrong having girlfriend, boyfriend, but you're getting the physical, sexual relation, sex की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, right? This is something you should not, open up yourself to everybody. That's how you create your value. People say, no, we are human being. It's a need of. No, it's not a need of a body. Need of a body is a reproduction. And the outcome of reproduction is sexual, sex or the pleasure, you can say that, because you enjoy the particular process and they'll feel like keep doing it again and again. You getting my point? Here, reproduction is not outcome of sexual pleasure. Here, sex and pleasure is outcome of reproduction, and which we avoid by using, you can say contraceptive pills, condoms, or UTs, or XYZ stuff. That amphimexis process which takes place. Stop fooling yourself. Start following 90% of people. You think these are the people. These are not right. They are wrong. Use your brain. हो सकता था. What do you mean हो सकता था? Means she don't value her husband. Come on.
The point is, Nikhil and I share the same vibe, same sense of humor. And after a long time, I feel the sudden pull towards a guy.
Which you don't feel towards Karan anymore.
No, I do. But with Karan, it's purana and rusty, and with Nikhil, it's new and shiny. Fuck, I'm such a cliche, yaar.
How she's अपने husband के बारे में rusty? Come on, यार. That's why इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ लड़कियों को खुद नहीं पता उन्हें क्या चाहिए यार. ये चीज़ें कब आती हैं? When you be in relationship with a woman or a man, and sorry, especially मैं man की बात करूँ because I'm a man here right now, right? Women का मुझे नहीं पता. Listen, अगर कोई लड़की आपके सामने ड्रामा कर रही है, शर्तें रख रही है, तो ये चीज़ें काफ़ी ज़्यादा रख रही है, तो यार she don't see you as a high value man, and she don't see you a high value man. She will do some drama in your life in future. So just think 100 times to get fixed, or directly shoot down that target, right? So you need to be very careful on those kind of terms, because there's no chances that she's going to, that's a fucking drama, dude. How she see? If I value my wife, I'll never do that. I have a zero tolerance regarding this kind of behavior. Maybe no matter what. नहीं साथ में चाय पीने चलते हैं, पानी पीने चलते हैं. With a group I'll go, not with you alone. In some cases, okay, you're in trouble, I can help you out, but not in all the cases. So that's a disgusting thing, yaar. Come on.
यहाँ पे पानी नहीं आ रहा. Okay, boss. It's high time that you figure out what you really want. I mean, sooner or later, you have to be honest at least to yourself, if not people around you, for your own peace of mind.
See, I know you need to be selfish here, right? You're a woman or man, you need to be selfish. At the end of the day, it's your peace of mind is very important. But see, in the case of women, for me, both cases, for both of them, it's very, very clear thing, right? But for women, is even more than that, right? Once she's not getting married, till that she's not married, she having responsibility of her parents. घर की मान मर्यादा इज्जत बहुत चीज़ें बहुत मैटर करती है. हमारे एक इंडियन सोसाइटी की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. आपके shoulders पे हैं. These are quite high value women if they consider those things, right? Not put up for sexual desire first over all those things, right? If she does, she's not a high value woman, right? And the same, when she get married to a man, then her responsibility will get double. She'll get double responsibility on the shoulder. मान लो अभी 20 kg का लोड है उसके सर पे अपने घर वालों के पेरेंट्स का, उसके बाद वो 50 kg का हो जाता है. 30 kg और बढ़ा लो यार. We take the women as a goddess यार. हाई वैल्यू वुमेन की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, लिटरल वुमेन की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लिटरल मैंस की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं. या मैं हाई वैल्यू वुमेन की बात कर रहा हूँ. हाई वैल्यूज, हाई स्टैंडर्ड्स. Nowadays there are people say नहीं यार आजकल कौन मिलेगा. नहीं होते हैं यार, क्यों नहीं होते हैं, होते हैं. मैंने देखा था, I read one article, I don't know, just she's some sports person or somewhere. She was 38 and she was a virgin. She was looking for a perfect man. She was quite choosy. In Western culture, you will not find that thing, right? But in India, you do have multiple options because the right people are still there in this country. The high value people, I would say that. And that's the purpose for this channel is all about. Hold your ground hard. Right? So just proud of you what you are. Yeah. Hold it. You're not like them. Just stand out of the crowd.
I know.
So
Listen, these things for a woman or man is not easy to acquire. That required a supreme sacrifice and consistency and the huge control. These kind of people will never betray you, I'm telling you. The people with the high moral values and standards will never betray you. Keep those things fucking in your head. Right?
you want to continue with Nikhil or what?
What is the point of continuing with Nikhil? Come on. What shit she's talking about? Continuing with Nikhil? How does it make sense? You should give divorce to him, if you want to continue with this guy. Stability, predictability issue. Stability issue. Big stability issue. I'm telling you guys, that's not my word, but I've spoken to most of my friends. That's why most of the men don't want their wives to work in the companies. Just because of this behavior. I know it's quite heartbreaking or what this guy is talking about, but that's the reality of the man actually. I'll tell one story about one of my, not colleague, I would say the guy whom I met in my IT company and all, right. That even guy can do that, but someone has to work somewhere. So that's what I'm telling you. If you're choosing a man, he should make sure that the man is very high value standard with high value standards. He'll always keep you happy, but he'll not do any drama in your life. You can trust him blindly. तुम कहीं भेज दो, कहीं छोड़ दो. The same thing the men, women, both the genders.
I don't think I should. I love Karan. And Nikhil is great. But I don't know if I'll feel the same way for Nikhil 6 महीने या 1 साल बाद. I can't definitely take that risk.
Okay, in that case, तुझे 2 चीजें करनी पड़ेगी ASAP. Number 1, talk to Karan. Honestly, I mean, you need to figure out कि तेरे married life में what is that one element which is missing जो तो निखिल में ढूंढ रही.
ऐसे दोस्त मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आप लड़की हो या लड़को आपको अगर मिल रहे हैं तो you should never leave those kind of friends because they always try to keep you on the right track. But the question she asked really was bullshit. But now she's giving a good advice and making things trying to clear and trying to help her out in a relationship. Right? In any relationship, दो पार्टी में एक बंदा ऐसा है, बंदी ऐसी रहेगी जिसको even you have to love more than the ex person. आपके रिलेशन लड़की को ज़्यादा प्यार करना पड़ेगा 60% या फिर आपको करना पड़ेगा 80%. That's how relationship works. If 50-50 प्यार करोगे तो it's a fucking business. The things will be difficult to get switch off like this. Think 100 times before doing all those things. But इसकी friends की मैं salute करता हूँ कि बंदी ने काफ़ी अच्छा काम किया to advising her on especially on those kind of grounds.
इतना honest child. निखिल के बारे में भी बताऊँ.
वो कॉल तो तुझे लेना पड़ेगा.
And what's the second thing that I should do?
निखिल से दूर रह.
Good.
No sutta breaks, no hanging out late in the nights, and no such situation that will lead to a kiss.
Not anything else, not even kiss, nothing.
Temptation is addictive, huh? I mean, इस बार कुछ नहीं हुआ. एक बार चीजें physical हो गई ना, it will be really difficult for you to get out of it.
But it won't be easy, yaar.
छोड़ देना भाई.
But I guess you're right. I'll have to stay away from him.
अभी आपको पिक कर लें. Blush subscribe कर देना भाइयों. Nice
Hello?
video from this YouTube channel.
Yeah, hi. Oh, you're getting done early today?
Yep. What about you?
Yeah, even I am.
आज लेट नहीं होगा?
नहीं, आज लेट नहीं होगा.
तुम्हारा वो प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है ना?
हाँ, that project is over now.
तो we'll have dinner then.
Yeah, I'll see you.
See you.
मैडम कोई लेडी है बाहर, वो कंप्लेंट करे वॉशरूम में अंदर कोई आने नहीं दे रहा बोल के.
कौन कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं? चलो देखते हैं. Women Up is all about helping your fellow sisters out in their times of their need without any judgment.
So let us know in the comment section below about your own Women Up moments.
And help us bring you more such stories of women helping out women by liking
And sharing this video.
and subscribing to
Lush.
ऐसे दोस्त आपको ज़रूरी हैं लाइफ में, बट नॉट जजमेंटल, राइट. उसको उससे बाहर निकालने की उसने कोशिश की और ये बहुत अच्छा काम है. मैं आपको सीरियसली बता रहा हूँ, ये चीज़ें बहुत ख़राब हो सकती थी आने वाले टाइम में, फ्यूचर में बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो सकती थी. it could have lead to the suicide of that particular man. You see कितना trust करता है इस पे, and how she's doing in the office. The part of the women working in the corporate and a man working in the corporate, I have nothing to say like that, just what I got from my people, but I'm really totally don't agree with that. That is the reason you should restrict the women to work in a company. It's your preference, it's your personal choice, right? So that's things come to the picture. And second thing I was about to tell about one of the guy who was in, इसलिए मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ यार, इन चीज़ों के बारे में ना बहुत ध्यान से सोचो, समझो, फिर डिसीजन लो. कोई कहीं भी काम करे, कुछ भी काम करे, यू डूइंग समथिंग, टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ योर एक्शन. अदरवाइज डोंट डू इट यार. बहुत guys, you should do like this or like that. I'm saying because I don't do those things, right? If I'm doing what I did in the past and I ask you to do this, how does it make sense? It's a useless thing. So मैं बोल रहा हूँ इस चैनल को आप ब्लश है जो भी है इसको आप सब्सक्राइब करो. मैंने पहली वीडियो देखी है, अगर ऐसी कुछ मिलेगी मुझे वीडियो जो आपके सामने लानी चाहिए तो आपको ज़रूर बताऊंगा. और ध्यान रहे यार, आपकी वाइफ कहाँ जा रही है, कहाँ नहीं जा रही है, यू शुड हैव अ ट्रैक ऑन दैट. इवन आपके हस्बैंड कहाँ जा रहे हैं, यू शुड हैव अ ट्रैक ऑन दैट, राइट? मोबाइल फ़ोन वाला जो भी है, कैसे भी करो यार. ये चीज़ें जैसे जैसे हो रही हैं, बिकॉज राइट women always understand those things and she know that what is right and what is wrong for her, because she is not operating on those things, because her values, principles, strength and character is quite strong, which is not even shakeable by any kind of man, maybe how hot he is, right? So that's a standard of a high value woman or high value man. So if you want to settle for those kind of people, then you should be of that caliber, of that level. मैं आपको लिटरली बता रहा हूँ, हाई वैल्यू मैन विल नेवर इवन लुक द विमेन लाइक यू. अगर ऐसी लड़कियां हैं तो उनके ऊपर देखेगा भी नहीं, राइट? और सेम एज अ हाई वैल्यू विमेन नेवर गिव अ चांस टू दिस काइंड ऑफ मैन. नो चांसेस यार, चांस ही नहीं है. तो कितने भी हॉट हो, कितने भी सेक्सी हो, कितने भी कुछ भी हो, वॉट एवर इट इज यार, दे हैव सम स्टैंडर्ड, दे सेट अप देयर स्टैंडर्ड, दैट जस्ट फॉलो दैट स्टैंडर्ड. देयर आर